I'm going to make red potato salad. And over the next few days, I'm going to make some of my favorite side dishes that you can use at Thanksgiving, Christmas, anytime. All right, let's get started on Darlene's table. Oh, all right, so we're going to use a cup of sour cream, half a cup of mayonnaise with some Dijon mustard, celery, green onion, dill pickle, a teaspoon of vinegar. That's all. 4 boiled eggs. This is dill, onion, salt, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. These are potatoes. It was 3 pounds of red potatoes that I cooked earlier, and I've been letting them cool. You don't want to put it on there hot. All right, we're going to start with the sour cream, a good quality mayonnaise and Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Now I'm adding the dill, onion powder, and garlic powder. Mix all this up. Celery, dill pickle, green onion, and 4 chopped boiled eggs. I absolutely love this thing for chopping up my eggs. They're so uniform and they look so nice. I put them this way and then I turn it and I cut them that way. All right, this is mixed well. My red potatoes have cooled down to room temperature. I'm going to add this sour cream and my vegetable mixture. I'm going to mix and mix this until every potato is coated. And then I'll put it in the refrigerator to chill, preferably 3 to 6 hours. I'm going to do mine overnight. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. A light sprinkle of cayenne pepper. It's not hot. This just gives it a little zip. All right, I decided it needed a little more salt and pepper. Final taste test. Ooh, that's good. It's ready. Red potato salad. This is a must in your arsenal of recipes. It's such a versatile recipe that is welcome on any table or just about any occasion. Creamy and tangy with boiled eggs, this dish is always a hit. I guarantee no leftovers. Now you can find this printable recipe on our new website, darlenestable.com. Please give it a try and be sure to let me know how it turned out. I really appreciate you guys, and I hope to see you again soon on Darlene's Table.